I thought the best thing that was going to happen this week was the 50% off the Halloween candy at Walmart tomorrow. I'm going to be buying a lot of Snickers tomorrow. In all seriousness, though, when I first got my very first job teaching, I drew myself a poster that is hung behind my desk in every room I've ever taught in, which is 4 or 5 rooms in this building. And it's a candle, and it says, "Remember that those who light no candles have no right to curse the darkness." And that's not a reminder for a student, that's a reminder for myself, because in education we often have seasonal work, and I don't mean that in the trite way that some people think that we work banker's hours from September to May. I mean there are seasons of feast and there are seasons of famine, and we know the day-to-day work that we do often feels like a famine, and it's hard to see the feast through the famine. I definitely feel like today is a feast day, but I can't light those candles alone. We have administration currently at Somerset Area School District that gives matches to the teachers to light those candles. I can't remember a time where I've gone to Mr. Anderson or Mr. Fish or Ms. Maxwell or Mrs. Mathias with an idea and they said no. They usually say, "What do you need to get that done?" They give me the matches to light those candles for my students. And my coworkers fan the flame and they get their candles and we light them together. And you know, this Saturday in Pittsburgh, we know it can be a dark world and we need that warmth. And those candles, like, we have the unique position to light candles for the vulnerable kids before us. And I stand here as a member of a big faculty who light those candles every day, even when we feel like we don't. So I would be completely remiss to accept this as the excellent educator of Eagle View. That's a gross overstatement. We are a faculty here together, and we light each other's candles on those days or weeks or months of famine. So we should feast together. So if you are a current educator or retired educator from Eagle View, or if you've ever been an administrator in this district, please come up here so we can get a clap together. Please come up, guys. Come on up, Mr. Coder. You guys need to understand that we are together rewriting the narrative of the Somerset Area School District. This is not the district I joined 11 years ago. We are so much better. And it's sometimes hard to see that. And they know I'm often sarcastic and have a sense of humor about the day-to-day famine. But we are in a period of feast in this district. And we are rewriting our legacy in this town and for this community. And you guys are a big part of that. And so I just want everyone to know that everyone up here uses their time for you and loses sleep worrying about you and loving you. And we do the best we can for you. And we appreciate when you do the best you can for you. Okay, so let's clap for everyone standing up here one time. And I'm so thankful to the Milken Family Foundation for this honor and for however they found out about me. That will remain a mystery that will haunt me till the day I die. But I just want to thank everyone for their support and thank everyone, every single one of us up here, for how hard we work every day on the days of famine.